How do I get my Google Docs back to the normal size? Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get your Google Docs back to the normal size. So to do that, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your Google Docs. After you open your Google Docs, just choose any of the document or new document that you want to. Now let's see if this page is to the normal size or not. For that, you need to tap on the very edit section and tap on the three vertical dots on the top right side. Now tap on the page setup option. So it is portrait. That means if you have the landscape, then it is not the normal size. But when you have the portrait size of the page setup on your device, then you can see that the page you have on your Google Docs is normal size. So just tap on the very portrait shape, and after the portrait shape you can expand, minimize or do anything with your page by just tapping on the page setup and choose the paper size as you want to. Just choose the normal paper size from here and see. And after that, to make sure you have certain pages, just tap on the very plus icon, tap on the very page number option and tap on this option right here. Doing this, you can see that your document is now also divided to the page number, which will make your Google Docs differentiate with each page numbers now. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.